We all have DVDs. However, what do you do with the case if something happens to the DVD? Here are a few DVD hacks that I came up with to share with you. For this project, I hot glued together 2 DVD cases at an angle. I slid in 2 5x7 pictures of my kids and placed them on display in my home. I took my DVD cases and I placed them on the vinyl tablecloth, and I created a cutout the shape that I wanted. I slid the tablecloth piece through the plastic sleeve and left the sides hanging out. I left the DVD case open and wrapped the tablecloth around the back side and secured it with hot glue. I took an old sign I had and set it on the vinyl tablecloth, traced it, and cut it out. I Mod Podged the sign and placed the cutout vinyl tablecloth on top. I glued both DVD baskets onto the board. I added some dirt and plants to the DVD case openings, and I hung it up outside. I measured and cut white paper to place on the DVD cases under the sleeve. I decided to use 6 DVD cases for a larger whiteboard command center. I hot glued the edges together. You could use a more permanent glue if you like. I glued 4 magnets onto the 4 corners on the back and placed it on my refrigerator. Use dry erase markers to write on the sleeve, and it wipes right off. Now I have a section for my grocery list, a section for each of my kids' chores, and reminder section. I cut some gray marble cardstock to fit inside the DVD sleeve, and I placed a wall sticker that I found at Dollar Tree on each cardstock piece. I slid it into the case. I hot glued the cases together. You could use a more permanent glue if you like. I used double stick tape on the back and I hung it up above our pantry in our kitchen. Start by placing a cutting board between the clear plastic sleeve and the DVD case. Use a razor blade to cut around the disc holder and remove it. Measure a piece of cardboard to go over the side where the DVD was, like from a cereal box. I found a magnetic tic-tac-toe board at Dollar Tree. I cut it to size and placed it in one of the sides of the DVD case. On the piece of cardboard, I glued a piece of paper. I then hot glued a Lego board onto the paper. Place the Lego piece of cardboard on the other side of the DVD case. I recommend gluing these 2 pieces into place for stability with a permanent glue of your choice. Place some Lego characters in the top section and close it up for transport. On the outside of the case, I placed a white piece of paper behind the sleeve. And now it's a whiteboard. Use dry erase markers to draw on the case and wipe off. I hope this inspires you to make some DVD case creations of your own. Thanks for watching.